Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at this picture, some of these pictures here for the Cybertruck, and as you can see, it's posted by Gregor Truck, and as you can see, the damage is really bad. Would you think the passenger would survive inside? So apparently, there's like 4 people inside the Cybertruck, and none of them died, maybe one that was like seriously injured, but they all survived. Look at how can they survive in this. That is crazy. And what struck it, we don't know. So this happened in Mexico, but that is just crazy. Look at the wheel falling off and everything. And yet the passengers managed to survive. Amazing. And if you guys don't know, Cybertruck, Tesla makes like one of the safest cars in the world. A lot of things, like a doctor drove his whole family off the cliff 50 feet or something, and they all survived. He tried to commit a suicide. And look at the Cybertruck. No one would imagine that the passenger would live because of how bad it is, but yet they all survived. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for Gregor for posting these. But on that, be safe, take care, till next time.